Microsoft announced that Office 2019 for Mac will become almost useless due to an expiring digital license. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. From July 13th, Mac users who are running older versions of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote will only be able to open and print files, leaving them as read-only productivity apps. Microsoft called this reduced functionality mode, but you won't be able to edit, save, or create new files. iPhone and iPad Microsoft 365 subscribers and those who use non-subscription versions of Office 2019 or Office 2021 are affected as well. If you're a Mac user whose computer can run macOS 12 or an iPad or iPhone user on iOS 17 or above, you can fix this by simply updating Microsoft 365 or Office 2021. But those with Office 2019 are pretty much out of luck. Microsoft ceased its support for this version of the suite on October 10th, 2023. This means it can't be updated on your Mac, and reinstalling won't do the trick either. To continue using Office apps like before, Microsoft advises either subscribing to Microsoft 365 or making a one-time purchase of Office 2024. You can also use apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for free in your browser with a Microsoft account. The certificate expiration issue only applies to those who use Office and Microsoft 365 on Mac OS and iOS. Windows and Android are not affected, and Office 2021 will continue to be supported until October 13th, 2026. After that, it will also stop receiving security updates. Older versions of software being phased out is nothing new, but this particular case will be galling as users were assured back in 2023 that their apps would continue to function despite Microsoft no longer supporting them. This guarantee was quietly removed in an update last month when company removed mention of functionality and only promised that user data will remain safe. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.